Oh my God. So we tried to get more straight so that we could pull him out, but now I'm in the exact same position. What's up guys, welcome to today's vlog. Ben and I are at this place called Squamish and we're going to be going up to this thing called the Sky Gondola. It should be pretty interesting. We're actually meeting up with a guy too at the gondola, so gonna meet some new people today. Gonna shoot some dope footage and I hope you guys like it. Ben is here with me.
Hey.
This is another Back with Ben episode.
Back with Ben.
So this is where we parked. We just came down this super long road that was really sketchy because all this snow is on it and on each side it's water, so we kind of had to drive carefully, but just setting the stuff up over here and then gonna shoot some stuff around here. Man. Alright, so we're looking for seagulls and eagles out here. We just saw a huge flock just like fly past and went down there. Alright, we're leaving this spot now and going to, what's the dude's name that we're meeting?
Diogo Diaz.
Diogo Diaz. So apparently he is, he's gonna meet us at the gondola, so we're gonna go meet him over there now.
Dude,
what's up? Hey man, Josh. Nice to meet you. Alright, so this right here behind us is the Sky Gondola. We're gonna be going up this with Diogo.
You guys will meet Diogo in a minute. Here, let's go meet him.
Alright, that's where we're going up. Thank you so much. This is what I wish I was shooting on right here. Wait, how many countries have you been to again?
57.
57.
And counting.
Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah. That's insane. Tell us what you're gonna do.
Okay, next year, everybody should follow this. It's called the Epic World Tour. And I'm gonna be going around the world in a helicopter for 3 months.
That's crazy.
So this is a trip. Start in Vancouver, then we go down to the Caribbean, back up the US East Coast, Greenland, Iceland, down through Europe to Dubai, through India, to Thailand, up to Siberia, over to Alaska, and then back down to Vancouver.
Oh dude, that's gonna be insane.
That's the trip.
So we'll be following along the entire journey that he's on. That's gonna be insane.
Yeah.
Expect some dope footage. Yeah, that's gonna be crazy.
Guys, about to do some bungee jumping. I'm gonna be the first man to do it without any straps. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.
So I just made it to one of the peaks over here, and it is very foggy. That's the Chief, right? That is one of the hikes that we do in the summer, but right now would be pretty brutal. If anybody's ever wondering how Ben gets the shot, you gotta be 12 feet tall. Alright, we're leaving this spot over here. We just took some shots over there, but it's super foggy, so I'm gonna try to get more into the trees, shoot some more stuff.
Yeah, and I'll shoot.
Ben's trying to map out some awesome shots. We're thinking down through here. Alright, so I forgot to vlog it, but we just had salmon crepes. Your
I had beef stew.
Nice.
That was probably better than salmon crepes.
We're about to get out of here. Go down to, back down to the water where we were before we came up here. This is the camera.
Oh, that's the one?
This is the camera right here. This is so awesome. 1DX, this will be the next camera. After I sell everything that I own. Back out into the cold. Wow. It's snowing more and more every hour.
You see the gondola going by? Yo.
Oh, same. That's what I want to be doing.
Brand new, 2017.
Yeah. at that though. That's that's what happens when you're drifting through the snow up here. Alright, so we gotta pull him out now. Alright, this is awesome. So now we're both stuck. What the heck? Oh my god. So we tried to get more straight so that we could pull him out, but now I'm in the exact same position. We're gonna have to winch this out with the tree. Alright, so we're back on the same rock, except right now the snow's blowing sideways and there's ice sheets floating past us. Sometimes the audio gets really bad because it's so windy, but this is where we're taking pictures now. You can see how fast the snow is blowing. He's just chilling over there, standing on top. Gonna get a sweet photo of him out there. Yeah. Look at that giant piece of ice just floating by. That's crazy. Back to the car. This is the hardest part, is walking back because we're walking into the snow.
Just like see it, you can't see it. You can feel the spirit, the lyrics coming in Braille. Come and follow the trail.
You got it. So we're back in the car and we're going to a Tim Hortons now to get some coffee and to like warm up a little bit because we were just running through the snow for like an hour.
Yeah.
And
I'm soaked.
Are those waterproof pants?
Let's go with that. Crazy waterproof jeans. They're gnarly rubber jeans.
Oh man, we are waiting behind a train right now.
Yeah.
That keeps like going and stopping and going and stopping, and then we can't even see the end of it.
I was backing up.
Oh, what? No, what the heck? Going inside Tim Hortons. Oh. I made it to Tim Hortons. Gonna go out and get something to eat. We are so cold and wet. We need to dry off in here, but they got some interesting things in this bathroom. Like, I don't know what the heck that is. And there's a bunch of writing all over the walls in other places. But yeah, getting food now. See you later, dude. See you maybe on Sunday, and then Tuesday. Yeah. See you, man. Back into the snow.
Oh my gosh, it's freezing.
Oh, it's so cold.
Oh my.
Oh. This is the kind of snow we're dealing with right now. It's getting crazy up in here. I don't know if anybody out here has a two-wheel drive car, but if they do, it's gonna be a pretty scary ride. Got back to my house and transferred all the clips onto the laptops over there, and now Ben is leaving.
I am.
And this light is horrible, but yeah, we're gonna see Ben really soon. We might go in a helicopter on Tuesday. So also my pixel's dead. Do you see that on the screen?
Yeah.
So I gotta get that fixed. Today was another epic adventure with Ben.
Yeah.
It was dope. We're gonna see you soon.
Yes, you will.